Hey guys, I have an unboxing for you guys, and this is the December Glamour jewelry box. They did send me this for review purposes. I'm not sponsored by them or any shape, weight, or form. They also gave me a coupon code, but it is for your benefit only. I do not get any compensation. So if you want to try them out, you can get a discount using that code down below. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this month's box. As always, they have a little card here that says Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. So that is their website and their, oh God, come on, focus. Hopefully you guys will see that. If not, I will have all this information down below. It is a $25 a month subscription service, and you get jewelry every month. And any other details that I can find will be in the down bar. So as always, I've done a few of these if you haven't seen them. So sorry I'm saying as always. So every time I've gotten one of these, they come in these cute little velvet bags and it has their name on the front. So I really like that they have these little pouches to store them in, or if you're going to travel with, you'll have them to put them in here and it'll keep it nice and secure, and also just keep them apart from any other fancy jewelry, because when you bunch up a whole bunch of them, that actually damages them. So I always try to keep my stuff pretty much separated if it's more higher price things. Anyway, so I see that there's like a little tissue in here with something in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm really into dainty necklaces and little statement necklaces like this, or tiny small necklaces, not statement necklaces. I think statement necklaces is like the huge ones, but I love little dainty necklaces like this, and this is like the double one, so I really like this. It's in gold with the two little bars, so this is very beautiful. To be honest, I haven't used like huge statement necklaces in forever. To me, kind of like the trend kind of died down. Next thing in here is, oh, these are pretty for holiday. These beautiful earrings. These look absolutely stunning for holiday party. I think I'm gonna wear these for New Year's or Christmas. These are stunning and so beautiful. I also like the fact that they don't feel like super heavy. They don't feel super light either, but they don't feel like they're gonna weigh down on my ear. So these are beautiful. Something else in here, and it's also in tissue paper. So let me see what's in here. And it looks to be a bracelet. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a very little dainty bracelet, and it has a little stone in the middle. It reminds me of one from Pandora. I actually have a necklace and earring set from Pandora, and it has the same kind of stone in the middle. So this is very, very pretty. Just something very dainty and pretty. I would definitely layer this with more bracelets, but super, super pretty. Those are the three that came in the December box. Let me know what you guys think. They don't kind of go together, but I do like the individual pieces themselves. I would use each and every one of these. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love jewelry, and I'm starting to get back into using it. You wouldn't be able to tell right now because I'm about to go to work, but I absolutely love jewelry. And for the first year of my son's life, it was kind of hard for me to wear it just because he would pick at it, or I felt like I would scratch him with it. But now that he's bigger, I've really been getting into wearing my jewelry again. So let me know what you guys think of this month's box. Are you guys interested in this subscription service? What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys as always for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button if you want to keep watching my videos, and anything you want to do, like hit that little bell for notifications or write a comment. YouTube with their analytics wants you to participate more if you really want to watch the channel, which is so annoying because I hate having to say all these little things all the time. Anyways, thank you guys, love you guys, and until the next one, bye guys.